Looking for a wireless speaker that delivers premium sound and looks like a piece of vintage furniture? The Edifier D32 Retro Wooden Tabletop Wireless Speaker might be one of the best options available in 2026. After testing it, I found that it combines elegant retro styling with impressive audio performance and modern connectivity. The first thing you'll notice is the beautiful Black Walnut MDF wooden cabinet. It has a classic retro design that stands out from the typical plastic Bluetooth speakers. It feels sturdy, well-built, and fits perfectly in a living room, office, or bedroom. Sound quality is where the D32 really shines. With 60 watts RMS output, dedicated drivers, and a DSP crossover, it produces rich bass, detailed mids, and crisp highs. Vocals sound natural, instruments are well separated, and the overall audio remains balanced even when the volume is turned up. Whether you're listening to jazz, rock, classical music, podcasts, or streaming movies, the speaker delivers a warm and immersive listening experience. Connectivity is another major highlight. You get Bluetooth 5.3 with LDAC support for high-resolution wireless audio on compatible Android devices. Apple users can enjoy seamless streaming through AirPlay 2 and ALAC support, making it an excellent choice for iPhone, iPad, and Mac users. There's also a USB-C audio input and a traditional 3.5mm auxiliary input, giving you plenty of options for connecting laptops, desktops, TVs, or other audio sources. The built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 11 hours of playback, making it easy to move the speaker around your home without always needing a power outlet. While it's portable enough for indoor use, it's really designed as a premium tabletop speaker rather than an outdoor travel speaker. There are a few things to keep in mind. It doesn't include built-in voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant, and there's no waterproof or dust-proof rating. If you're looking for a rugged outdoor speaker, this isn't the right choice. The focus here is clearly on delivering high-quality audio and premium design for home listening. Who should buy it? If you want a stylish speaker with excellent sound quality, high-res wireless audio, AirPlay 2, and versatile connectivity, the Edifier D32 is a fantastic investment. It's ideal for music lovers who care about both aesthetics and performance. Who should skip it? If you need a portable speaker for camping, beach trips, or outdoor adventures, or if you want smart voice assistant features, you'll probably be happier with another model. Overall, the Edifier D32 offers an outstanding combination of retro design, premium build quality, and impressive sound performance. If you're interested in adding this speaker to your setup, click the Amazon affiliate link below to check the latest price and availability.